NFT land is a digital plot of land that can be purchased in a metaverse project. The owner of a non-fungible token or NFT might use the land for a variety of purposes or simply for speculation. Why purchase land in the metaverse? There are two reasons for this: bragging rights and ROI. Right now, there's a slew of virtual real estate developments sprouting in the metaverse. The idea is similar to purchasing an NFT. You own this digital asset, and because it exists on the blockchain, anyone can check its legitimacy. Now, if you want to buy virtual land in the metaverse, here's how to do it. Purchase a digital crypto wallet. The first step is to obtain a digital cryptocurrency wallet. Choose a real estate platform. Browse for and select a parcel of land. Link your wallet. To complete your purchase, you must link your wallet to your account. Purchase confirmation. The transaction will proceed as long as you have adequate coins in your wallet and the price has been agreed upon. If you enjoyed the video, then please do leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel